Hello everyone, this is Ranjeet, your math teacher. Once again, I'm here with a new topic, and this time we are going to learn about how to make histogram. This is also another topic of data handling, and in this, first of all, we'll try to know what is histogram. Of course, once again, this is another way of representation of data, graphical representation. It is, of course, here in histogram and in bar graph. What kind of difference is there? In bar graph you will find all the bars are kept separate to each other, but in histogram, as it is related to class interval, it depends upon class interval. That is why you will find here in histogram all the bars are close to each other. So let's see how to make histogram. A question is written here which I have taken. This is of course a data. So first of all, for making a histogram, what I'll do, we will draw exactly a horizontal line. We'll call it x-axis, and just this horizontal line x-axis, I'll draw another line which will be perpendicular to it, and this will be called as y-axis. On x-axis and y-axis, we'll divide it equally. If you are using bar graph, this division will be already done, no need to divide it there, but in a plain sheet it is required, you divide it equally. We will do the same work here for y-axis also, like this. You can take the ruler for dividing it. You can use the ruler. Where these two axes meet at a point, that is exactly origin and will be represented by 0 only. On x-axis, we are going to represent this class interval which is there started from 45. So here writing 45 to 50, so 50 I'll write here. Then after, the next is there 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, like this you can do. I have required till 70 only, doesn't mean that I'll not write the next. There is no problem in doing that. On y-axis, what is required? We have required to represent the number of students. On x-axis, I have represented weight in kgs. So writing here in kg. Now on y-axis, whatever we are going to represent, that is required to write. On y-axis, number of students. So write here number of students. Now you can see number of students written there 5, 9, 16, 7, 3, like this. So the maximum is there 16, so I can use the difference of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Now in 45 to 50, we have 5 number of students. So 45 to 50, this area, this segment, we will represent for the number of students 5 only. So what I'll do, will increase it till 5, and this 45 to 50 I'll use like this. Now the next one is there 50 to 55. So this zone is there for representing 9 number of students. So 50 to 55, you will feel there it is automatically getting close to this bar. Okay, so 50 to 55, it is 9 there, so you increase till 9. In graph, on graph paper, it will be very easy to represent. Now the next is there 16, which is between 55 to 60. So 55 to 60, and we have to represent 16, so we'll represent like this. Will go till 16 and then will cover till 60. You must said it. Now the next is there 60 to 65. So for that 7 we need to represent. So 7 will be just middle of 6 and 8. So you just do like this. Now 65 to 70, it is 3. So 3 will be between 2 and 4. So will be like this only. So here what you have seen, need to write all the information. It is 5, 9, 16, 7 and 3. When you represent it, you are exactly getting that all the bars are close to each other. And one more thing which I have missed till now, and that is really very important. Scale is very important here, so that you must write. In scale, you first think about this x-axis. In x-axis, all the equal distances I have used for representing 5 units, but the same distance I have used here for representing 45. This is bigger, and that is why here we will change it. We will use kings. This symbol is called kings, and the meaning of this symbol, it is only that few more distances are there between 0 and 45. Okay, so that is also required. So on x-axis, what you are representing, each small 10 divisions, it is equals to 5 units. So need to write here. So on x-axis, what is happening? 5 is 10 small divisions equals to 5 units. 10 small divisions equals to 5 units. This 10 small divisions you will find when you will use graph paper. Okay, on graph paper you find the square kind of shapes there, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This one, after each of the 10, you will find in the middle also one you will find. And if you are using this as 0 and this as 2, so what you will write here on y-axis, 10 small divisions equals to 2 unit. In the same way, if you are using 10 small divisions for representing 5 units, so that then only you will write here for x-axis 10 small divisions equals to 5 units. Means this scale exactly depends upon the use of that small divisions. Okay, so it may change also according to your taken scale. Now on y-axis, what you will write, 10 small divisions equals to 2 units. Okay, look here. Now in this way you will make histogram. In histogram, all the bars are close to each other and there is only one region in this histogram. What is that? This class interval. Okay, so we make the histogram by taking the class interval. This is the graphical representation of group data. So I hope you understood this. If you will find any problem there in doing this, so you must write in comment box, or at home you try a few more questions related to making histogram. You try it once at home, and if you find any problems there, write in comment box. I'll make another videos. So till then, be safe there. Thank you.